Gigi, where are we going to?
Bluebell Factory?
That's fun.
I know.
We're here.
Hey!
It's gonna be fun. Papa, say hi.
I don't think he heard you, kid.
It's this room next.
An authentic doctor's buggy from the 1920s.
Let me.
Web, you can get a really fancy James Avery necklace that has ice cream on it.
Say hi, Papa.
Hey, everybody.
Oh, hi.
This ice cream freezer from the 1930s could produce individual batches of ice cream.
This is Virginia, and here's Roanoke right here. That's where we're gonna live. So everything in the dark green means they sell Bluebell in the grocery stores. It'll be like a freezer, so they pack it like with ice and stuff, and then put all the ice cream in there. Is your order of fresh Bluebell ice cream?
Picture.
American flag made out of ice cream.
Strawberry cheesecake, rainbow sherbet, pizza peach, crazy cookie dough, butter pecan, the cobbler, and salted caramel chutney.
We are going to eat ice cream.
Which one's your favorite, Liv?
Crazy water.
This is refreshing.
There is no crazy watermelon. Point at it.
Sherbet, but crazy.
That's crazy cookie dough. Oh, a stuffy. That's good because we're running low on stuffies.
Well, that's good because we got two.
Yeah. Okay, Liv. Tell all your fans what it was like back there.
So they were making this ice cream like down this hall and up.
I'm getting
And then they didn't have ice cream in it, but they had the ice cream cup like over there.
Oh, like the cartons?
Yeah. And then they put ice cream in the box to make it like ice cream to deliver anywhere.
Was it cool?
Yeah. It was very great. We loved it. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.